gonna be making is mushroom taco.
Love that. I
Yeah.
love mushrooms.
Yeah.
Do you
mushrooms.
use a special variety in your tacos?
So we use all different kinds, basically whatever's coming into season. We have some fresh guys here. We've got porcinis. These are maitake, or hen of the woods. And then we've got fresh morels. We just take these beautiful foraged mushrooms, we smoke them and then grill them, dress them in a little lemon juice, and put them on Oaxacan green masa. The mushroom itself already has like tons of umami, so the smoke adds that like extra layer where, you know, you're gonna serve this to people and they're gonna think they're eating steak, or they're gonna sort of wonder where the meat is coming from. It's so fun whenever people eat that taco because they think they're eating meat and people are like, oh, what is this? And it's just mushrooms, and it's super delicious and satisfying and comforting. We can hit it with a little olive oil. That's perfect.
Okay.
Maybe a little salt on there. Perfect.
Okay.
So we'll take these and we'll go to the grill. Oh, we'll just grill them really quickly.
Okay. I'm really liking how they're just popping right now.
Yeah, so, you know, really fast, too. We'll hit them with a little bit of Meyer lemon juice, which is really nice. These are pickled mushroom stems that we've chopped up. Basically take white wine vinegar,
right,
warm it up, and olive oil, and then just pour it over. And this is a mushroom mole, is what we would call it. Take mushrooms, saute them in it with shallots and garlic, and then puree them. Take a little of the mushroom mole. So we'll put a little bit of the maitake, a little bit of these porcinis.
Look at those lettuce sprouts, they're so cute.
Yeah.
And the color's beautiful.
Yeah, I mean, you know, you could use arugula. If you're cooking at home, little pieces of arugula here and there, it'd look nice as well, you know? And it just adds like another like little layer of like freshness, a little crisp.